Alright. Well, guys, we're fishing Wissahickon Creek, I think, right?
Yeah, I think.
Wissahickon Creek with Paul. And we're just going to we're actually going to try to go for some bass, but I have my 2 ultralights here, and no one has a bait caster. Paul's got his rod. We just walked all the way down there, and we're about to go through this sketchy looking stairs.
Trust me, it's not that bad.
They're pretty.
All the graffiti.
I mean, besides like the steepness.
Here, I'll go down first.
It looks pretty steep.
Just hold on to this. It's pretty
yeah, you gotta
scary.
hold on to the rope. But all right, I'm gonna try to make my way down with this harness. All right, well. All right.
But the water level might be higher. Like last time I was here, this was completely dry.
Oh, that is slippery wet.
Yeah.
Slimy, that's it.
Oh no.
Last time I was here, I got all that.
This is a bad idea. I probably shouldn't.
At least you're using your not good shoes.
I need a hat on.
These are my shoes.
Ah!
Yeah, I have another pair of shoes that.
These graffiti. Ow! Oh, that hurt. I just wedged my toe between a sharp rock and just cut it off.
Watch out falling.
Got some graffiti there.
It was bloody last time.
It's here. It's here.
Are you sure of that?
Yeah.
Those raccoon prints.
Right here. There it is.
Oh my! I almost slipped and
Look at
died.
it. The water is definitely higher.
Oh my gosh! I better catch like a 5-pounder here.
It's not the best spot, but.
I better at least catch like 1 fish. Well, it doesn't seem like a lot of people would come all the way over here just to fish, so.
So I caught it over there, but I'll just show you all the places.
Ooh, the rapids. Oh, it's deep, bro.
Yeah, the water rose so much, it's so much deeper than this. There's the swing. I swam
The
there.
heck?
And then over there is where I caught the back.
All right.
Oh, here, come. And then I'll show you 2 other places, like 2 other spots right here where people start. So I caught the bass. It's gonna be horribly muddy. The bass I caught was right there.
Oh, this one is deep.
Oh my gosh.
It's
This
really
is-
muddy. And it's good because the rain washed out what I was talking about, that mound.
Oh, I see a bass. I saw a small bass.
That's new. That tree.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Well.
Yeah, I think you should move.
I don't see any fish
There was a ton.
I saw a bass, bro.
Here, let me put
Doesn't
my
look like it.
I guarantee you.
Oh, it smells like cheeks out here too.
here. Oh, what the? It wasn't mine. I just want to glass
Gotta hit on that guy.
crosswise
Yeah.
Oh, I had a hit right away, bro. That's not gonna lie, a little annoying. Gonna crossline you again. Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Okay, let's go.
Oh, I got a school of bass on me.
Bass?
Are those bass? No, they're not. Never mind. No, I saw a decent sized bass.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, go right over my line. I love that. Yeah, it just says 70% chance, so probably light rain. All right, I'm gonna go. Maybe it's just
right
a...
here, there's an Mondo gills right there.
Really, Mondo Gill?
Yeah.
Here, you catch him. Apparently, no one said there was a Mondo Gills over there. I'm gonna go with my Rapala jerkbait. It's a mini, though. If you fall down here, you're dead. Oh, bass.
Yeah, I told you.
Where is it?
Come on. Oh.
Hey, that's the bass that was on mine.
Someone slammed it, bro. Oh, no.
Snagged.
Oh, I got out.
I got one, I got that.
Nice. Control it, control it.
Oh, it's falling down. Oh,
Holy. What's going on? Go flip that guy. He's small. Get it.
Oh, get in the
Let's go.
Nice.
In the boat, baby.
I told you, man.
Look at that guy. All right, he's not a huge one. Here, you lip it.
Oh.
He's not huge, but little creek bass, guys. Hey, it's a little guy. You know what I'm saying?
Cut the net.
It's not bad though. It's not bad. Look at that guy.
Oh, I looked this
Little fish for Owen on the trout magnet. Nice.
Caught before, I think.
Yeah, probably one Paul caught. All right. Well, we can't really get a good release off this, like, but he was.
I could do.
I mean, yeah, it doesn't look like it on camera, but that's a solid, I don't know, 6 foot drop. Let's go, Owen.
No, probably like 4.
That was probably the bigger one in the creek.
Feel that?
You guys just aren't like they're not like, you know,
You feel that?
huge. Oh, got one. Oh my gosh, right under Paul's line. Paul. Oh, it's a red breast. It's a red breast.
Oh, those are bass system.
Guys, see that? Oh, red breast. Oh no, this is the kind of guy that's gonna.
Right there.
Where?
Dang.
Tree in the water.
Oh, I think I saw one. My rod is like pulsing when I realized.
All right, a little bit of poop, but
Feel this.
little. I think that was a
Real
red
one.
breast. We're at a new spot. You can see there's kind of like rapids going on over here. A little small rapids, but. Oh, whoa! I almost just fell in.
Right, it used to go that way more, but the water
Let's just cast and like.
took it off. Watch out for the
Oh, I just.
Oh, did I have a fish on that or no? I think that was
No, you're on the seaweed. Just. Oh, I got slammed. Bro. What? That was a bass? Oh, you have a whole.
have a whole what?
Oh, got one. Oh, what a fight. Oh, wow. Oh, it's just a red breast. These guys are really. You guys can see the bend in that rod. He's putting up such a fight. These are red breasts, like.
Do you have a? Oh, you're lucky. You have a big head, man.
Just go out to Dixon buy. Oh shoot. Go out to Dixon. Go
buy
back
one.
the way we came because we might have skipped some spots that hits the creek. Oh, I mean, I'm telling you, you gotta like this. The pro fishermen, they don't have their hook dangling just to hook people.
Yeah, as you can see, I have my hook on the hole because I caught the only bass today because I'm the best.
I'm gonna go pack up real quick. We'll see you guys in a bit. Fishing the Wissahickon Creek. I'll see you guys next time.